Hey guys, welcome back to JD Rise, and in today's video we're going to run a diagnostic on my MT09. So it's going to be a full diagnostic to find out what the check engine light is all about, even though the engine oil has been changed. So we're going to have to go find out what's happening. I just hope it's nothing major. I just want to get the vehicle checked once because it's a used bike, and I don't know, I just want to get it checked once. So, and also I might get it fully detailed once. But I think Bibudesh is off today, so his detailing studio is closed today. If it's open, we can go. If not, we can go some other time. So guys, the MT is over here, and guess what? I was just being stupid and paranoid about what is wrong with it. It's a freaking beautiful. Only thing is, I'm gonna have to change the rear brake pad, the front brake pads, and this lever. So what has happened is, I hope you guys can see, but inside which this thing turns, it's become fully bald. Like it's supposed to be square, it's become round. So I have to change that, and also this clutch cable needs to be changed, and it will probably change the clutch lever also. I'm not finding it comfortable, but apart from that, nothing else. Tires, as you guys know, I already have a set saved up. Stephens Duke 790's old 790 tire, and also, to be honest, this tire I don't feel is slipping yet. Like, I know it's worn, it looks very bad, but compared to the older tires I have, and all my life I've only had very worn tires or slightly less worn tires, and I've used them and I've noticed a lot of difference. But this is fairly good. Like, there's no problem with this. Like, I'm not finding it any slip or anything because I still haven't pushed in the corner, and the reason for that is again the tire. Like, it's so flat and wide that it's kind of hard. I also wanted to get it fully detailed because now the bike's all fine. I know for a fact I got the O2 sensor fixed. So basically what the bike was thinking was, I'll explain what that engine oil check engine light was coming, not engine oil, check engine. So basically what happened is, this exhaust is a decat. I mean, the M4 was a decat. So now this has been welded back on. When this has been welded back on, for that you need to lean the bike fully to get over there, to get access over there. So during that time, what has happened is the O2, the lean sensor has, the lean sensor assumed that the bike's been dropped. So because of that, the check engine light was coming because the bike thinks it's been dropped. This is what I've been told. And now the sensors and everything's been fixed. So after diagnosis, there was no issues at all. The diagnosis didn't say a single issue. The battery is also all fine now. Like, after using it for a while, it's good. Honestly, guys, really, guys, Yamaha, just one of the best, man. Like, think about it, guys. This bike's, I got to know yesterday from the service guys that this bike's been standing for a year with 1 year old less engine oil, probably less than 1.5 liters. This bike pushed 200. This bike didn't choke that much. If you think about, yeah, there were a few issues, but think about it like this. It's been a year since this bike's been really used. It's just been started once in a while. And honestly, hats off to Yamaha. And this is why, guys, just, you can never go wrong with Japanese. They always make the most reliable bikes ever. The best, most beautifully smooth bikes like Yamaha, Kawasaki, Suzuki and Honda. They're the best. You can never go wrong with them. Absolutely love my MT09. Really, such a beautiful bike. I don't want to slap Kawasaki in the face, but honestly, guys, Yamaha knows what it's doing with the MT09, but Kawasaki doesn't really. Like, they've made it a very boring, refined, smooth, overall very boring bike. People would buy it because, oh, I have 948cc, almost 1000, and that's the cheapest bike you can get for such a big engine. Like, that's the cheapest inline 4 above 900cc that you can buy. So people just go for it. But telling you guys, you don't know what you're missing out if you haven't ridden a triple cross plane. You have absolutely no idea what you're missing out on. It's one of the most beautiful machines. kind of power it has, the way it delivers the power, it's so different from Kawasaki, so different from my Z900, of course, because you guys know why. But what a beautiful bike. I don't regret this one bit, you know. I'm just sad that I didn't pick it up earlier because Stephen's going back to his home in Madurai, and tomorrow will probably be the last ride we do for a while. So that's why I've been riding for the last 4 days back to back. The first time I rode was the first time I got the bike that night. Second time I rode, again second time I rode, I noticed all the little smaller issues. But I did get it checked out after the first ride itself. That same day I went and got it checked out because I rode in the morning. Third ride I went to check out how the new engine oil is in the bike and how it's making it different. Tomorrow is going to be my fourth ride. After the O2 sensor and all the electronics are all tip top, the bike's in tip top condition. Just need the brake pads and the levers changed and the clutch cable, and that is it. So basically just general maintenance. And really, man, I'm falling in love with this bike, and something is really resisting me from putting a plate back on. Like once it broke, I'm like, awesome, looks good, gonna keep it this way. But I know I'm gonna get into a lot of trouble with the cops. Let's see how it goes. Tomorrow there's gonna be a ride, no? After that we'll find out. But I can't tell you guys how happy I am. It's all thanks to my mom and dad that I could get this bike. They helped me out a lot with this. And one more thing is, I wish I just got the bike fully cleaned, because I was thinking let me get the bike fully serviced, because that's much more of a priority for me. I thought I'll get a full clean wash, but Bibudesh is closed on Mondays, and I completely forgot, and I called him. He's like, dude, we're closed on Mondays, but if there's a special case, I'll open it up, let me get back to you. I'm like, no, don't open if you're closed today, it's okay, fine, I'll come tomorrow, no problem. So tomorrow, after my ride, oh wait, I'm going for a ride tomorrow, I forgot. Okay, may not be tomorrow, I'll go on Wednesday, get the bike fully detailed. Anyway, ride is there tomorrow, what's the point of cleaning it today, is what a lot of people say. But I actually like it clean for the ride and clean all the time. So anyway, and one more thing is I need a phone mount. Like there is an option of, oh my god, this has become so hot, guys. This was over here, I just picked it up, it's super hot. So this is basically, I don't even know how to use it. Yeah, like this. And you pull it and you have a USB cable connected to the battery. So I just need a phone mount, guys. It's really hard to navigate without phone mount. Once all is done, the bike's in tip-top condition, everything's good. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys are happy with this new bike purchase I've made. I'm just thrilled. I'm so glad I finally listened to my biker friends, because for the Z I didn't. I just bought it, but I'm glad I finally listened to them, and super happy because of them. And I'm really happy that they are my friends. I'm also happy for my parents to help me get this bike. I know I haven't really gotten into this whole bike buying and all how it means to me and all that lately, because I've just been shooting vlogs and editing. I don't have time. Now I finally got time to vlog how I feel. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, definitely consider liking and subscribing, and I'll see you guys in another one.